natural-ish. And what's this? Natural. I just really like the way the formula was, everything, the way everything blended, the way everything blended. Wow. You know what I'm saying. Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this really easy natural makeup look. I got this palette a little bit ago and I've been loving it. I'm not normally a neutrals girl, but this palette is just so pretty and the formula is really good. Everything just blended out really well. I've used 11 of the 12 shadows. I've used all of these shadows. And I've been, they're all just really nice. So if you are someone who's really into neutrals, I definitely recommend this palette. But if you want to see how I got this natural makeup look, please keep on watching. All right, so we're priming our eyes with this P. Louise base. The one I have is Rumor 2. And I'm just taking a very small amount and just working this onto my lid. I'm not being super neat. Okay, so we are using this palette today. I used this already and I really liked it. I thought the shadows were really nice, the formula was really nice, and I used all but one of these shadows. So first thing we're gonna do is grab a brush. Okay, so we're gonna use this Morphe M502 and I'm going to mix together these two shades right here. This one right here is a little too orange, but then with this, it's the perfect balance for my skin tone. And I'm just gonna work this into the crease. It's gonna be a really natural look. All right, so I'm really just working and blending out this color. So whatever left over on my brush, I like to really work into this inner portion right here and up into the brows. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this color using the same brush. I'm using a very small amount and I'm just going to work this right here. I'm just moving my hands in circular motions and just really building up this color. I like winging out my shadow and just kind of pulling it. If you don't like doing that, you don't have to. This is just what I like doing on my eye shape. But I'm really just blending it in, or blending it out, sorry. No, blending it in. I'm really blending it. So I'm going to take these two colors right here and I'm going to mix it together. Taking a flat brush. So I am taking this and just kind of running it on the lids. It's just kind of like a fake cut crease. And I'm stopping where that darker color begins. You know what? I think I'm going to take a little bit of this color also. Just a very small amount and just kind of run it back and forth between those two colors right here. Going back in with this brown, I'm just going to deepen this outer portion right here, just a little bit. If you have a smaller brush, it'll probably be a lot easier. I'm just being gentle and I'm just kind of tapping just to darken it. What brush to use next? All right, so I'm gonna take this dark brown. Yeah, I'm gonna take that dark brown. And I'm using this Morphe M506. And I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line. And I'm keeping this inner portion empty. And I really want to just smoke this out a little bit. It's gonna be the only color. Is it gonna be the only color? Yeah, I think it's gonna be the only color that we use. And I'm just connecting it. I'm just kind of feathering it out. This would have been you know what? This is a better brush to just kind of pack in right here. Take a little bit of glitter primer and I'm going to pat this right in the inner tear duct, bringing it down right here where we left empty, and just a little bit right into this inner portion here. I'm also going to bring this a little higher here. I'm not explaining that right, but right here. And this is the one from NYX. It's the one that I've been using for a while. It's affordable, it does the job. And it pretty much just really makes your eyeshadows pop. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is probably one of my favorite colors in this palette. And I'm just going to tap this color right here. It has a pink shift to it and it's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay that color down and then work on this side, and then I'm gonna focus on blending it on the other side. Taking a slightly fluffier brush with a little bit of product, and I'm just going to blend this shadow in a little bit. And I'm going back in with those two transition shades, and I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. I did get a bit carried away. Whatever left over on the fluffy brush, I'm just going to run this color right here. So the darkest color right here, I'm going to use a very small amount. And I'm using the same brow brush that I was using, and I'm going to create a wing with it. So I'm going to start right here. I'm not going to do a full wing. I just want a little bit of dimension and darkness right here. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the medium brown right here, and I'm going to blend that out a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit right here, just like that. All right, so I'm using this brown eyeliner from NYX. This is their glide on, super long name. I've used this once before. I don't really reach for it because I really like my MAC Teddy, but I wanted to do something different because I always do Teddy. And this is just Brown Perfection SL15. So it's not bad. It went on really well. So I just applied these half lashes. I kind of cut them. They're from Wish. It says 3D-47 on them, but I just kind of cut about this much off of both sides. And I do like them. So I'm gonna go in with this Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter Highlighter. And I'm going to use a brush that I just found in my drawer. I'm just going to add this right here. I love this highlighter. It's so good. And I'm really just working this into my skin. I haven't really been into a super blinding highlight. So I really like this one because it doesn't take much and it just kind of melts into your skin. take a smaller brush and add this on the tip of my nose. And right here. And I'm gonna add the tiniest amount right here. Like tiny, tiny. Like a dot. Tiny. Now I'm gonna go in with the Saharan Blush Volume 2. This is what it looks like. And what colors do I want to do? I don't know. I think I want to mix these two. It's very, very pigmented. You know what? I'm gonna take a little bit of this brown shade right here and just add this right here. I'm just going to buff everything out. Alright, so this is the complete look. For my lips, I went in with Morphe's Bite Me lip liner. Then I went in with Huda Beauty's lipstick in Honeymoon, which is this really, really nice, beautiful, beautiful pink. The formula is just, it's just so, so good. And to lighten up the center, I went in with this e.l.f.'s Srsly Satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Creme. This is just a really nice formula and super, super affordable. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy, natural-ish makeup look. Please don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.